Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to review the water cycle. I saw some of your work and you guys did a great job labeling it. Just so you know, later in the activity, you're going to need a piece of paper and crayons. So if you want to stop and pause real quick and get that stuff, go ahead, or you can stop after a review and pause it, and then you are going to do your own water cycle. All right, guys, so here's water cycle. Remember, a cycle is something that goes around and around and around. There's no beginning, there's no end. So we are going to start, though, with precipitation in our water cycle. So precipitation, everybody say precipitation. Hopefully you did it. Precipitation is the rain, the snow, the hail, the sleet, whatever. The wet stuff that comes out of the sky. That's called precipitation. Precipitation comes down, it goes to the ground, and it accumulates. Everybody say accumulation. Accumulation. It accumulates in rivers and streams and ponds and puddles and sometimes as dew on the plants in the morning. And then that accumulation sits there until the sun comes out and the sun heats it up. And it has this stuff called steam. It's kind of like when it comes out of your pot while you're boiling water for pasta, macaroni or cheese, rice, whatever you're making. Sometimes your hot tea, if your parents drink coffee, you might see that steam coming off the top. That steam is called evaporation. So all this is evaporation. You can't really see it, but it goes up into the sky, and all of a sudden those water droplets start getting together and they get nice and tight and nice and tight, and that's called condensation. And condensation is something you see a lot in the summertime on the side of your glass, and it's that wet stuff that comes out of your glass. It's called, sometimes it just gets wet, and it's just because it's hot and the water inside is cold, or whatever you're drinking is cold. And that is called condensation. Go ahead and say condensation. So we have precipitation, it comes out of the sky. We have accumulation, it collects at the bottom on the ground somewhere. We have evaporation, it's steam that comes up, and then we have condensation. All right, I'm going to pause real quick. This is your time to get your paper and crayons if you need them. All right, I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, I'm set up here on my wall. Now I'm going to tell you right now, don't draw on your wall if you're not allowed to. You should have a table or something. It's easier for me if I do it here so you can see what I'm doing because I can't hold my computer down without doing what I need to do. So I have my crayons, big bag of crayons, and I am going to go and we are going to make our own water cycle. So the first thing we want to do is label it. And put at the top, water cycle. There you go. There's the water cycle. I'll bring it in a little closer so you can see. All right. Now, when we looked at our chart, we knew the water cycle started with the clouds. So I'm going to go and find a blue crayon, and I'm going to make some clouds. And I'm going to make it rain. And who remembers what this is called? It's called precipitation. So I'm going to write right here, precipitation. Okay, precipitation. I know I got kind of squished there. Precipitation. See if you can find a grown-up to help you with that. I'll give you a minute to go ahead and do precipitation. All right, I'm going to get my green and some more blue. Now at the bottom, I'm going to make my grass. If you want to do some rocks, you can make some rocks. And then I'm going to put my water down there. Because that's going to be my little pond or my ocean, whatever I want it to be today. And we're going to call this accumulation. It's where it collects. So that's accumulation. It's kind of hard to see too. I know. Down here, accumulation. Accumulation. So you might want to draw an arrow from precipitation to accumulation because that's how it goes. Now, while you were writing that down, I'm going to go get another blue crayon. And I'm going to make some wavy lines over here. And I'm also going to get an orange and a yellow because I like my sun to be orange and yellow. And I need my sun because it's heating up the water for evaporation. And then I am going to write evaporation. See if I can do this. Okay, evaporation. Evaporation. And then you can have an arrow from accumulation to evaporation. Put a few more evaporation lines here. Okay. Now I'm going to be squeezing this in at the top. Because remember, now we have all those rain droplets that are in there. They're going to get together. And we're going to put some rain droplets up here like this. And then that's going to be called condensation. Let me see if I can get condensation written up here. After I find my black crayon, I'm going to write it up here. Condensation. So evaporation goes to condensation. And then I'm going to just have it go around here. Condensation goes to precipitation. And if you want, make sure that looks a little bit tighter up here. Just make sure if you're doing it, you're putting all of those together because all of those are little rain droplets that get together and they make these clouds heavy. And once those clouds are heavy, they can't hold anymore. That's when the precipitation comes. All right, so if you're not done, keep working on it. You can pause it, but I'm going to say goodbye right now. And I hope that you guys have a great day. And don't forget to listen to the other song. And there's another activity to do on water cycle as well. All right, see you later. Bye.